Hey MB crew, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to braid my hair for under my wigs and how I like to moisturize it. So as you guys can see, I'm combing out my freshly washed afro. I'm just making sure everything is detangled. You can definitely go section by section, but my hair is still short, so I just like to just comb it all out at once. And then I'm just going to apply this Suave leave-in conditioner. You can use whatever leave-in conditioner you would like, and then I'm literally going to go ahead and start making my parts for my cornrows. Now it doesn't have to be perfect or anything like that, but I'm just showing you guys how I like to do it. So I like to make my part, clip off the other hair. Then I'm gonna go in with the Miss Know-It-All moisturizing hair butter from Heritage 1933. I really like using like a hair butter for my braids under my wigs because it helps my hair stay moisturized for days, and you want to make sure your hair is moisturized under those wigs. And then I just make sure the section is detangled, you know, with my hands, and then I start braiding. But guys, it's very important to moisturize your hair when you're going to be wearing wigs. You want the moisture to stay in your hair. You do not want your hair to dry out under there, because that's when your hair will start to break. And then when I get to the end of the braid, I like to do a 2-strand twist, because since my hair is still shorter, the 2-strand twist really holds on the bottom. And then I literally just repeat the same steps throughout my head. I also like doing this too so I can get close to my scalp, and you guys will see why later. So I just apply the butter, and then I just, you know, feel with my hands, detangle, and then start braiding. You can do flat twists and things like that. And another reason why I like doing this is because it helps my units to lay really flat. When the foundation is nice, your unit is going to lay nice, and this is a great way to protect your hair, guys, and give your natural hair a break. And as you guys can see, when I start braiding, I start a little back from the hairline because I like to leave my hairline free so that I can smooth my edges down, you know, when I wear my units and things like that. Also, so it takes the tension off of my hair as well. So try starting your braids a little farther back, so underneath your wigs your hair isn't like being pulled or tugged or anything like that. Alright, so here is my favorite part, is when I put the black Jamaican castor oil all over my scalp. I love moisturizing my scalp. It's very important, guys, and this is literally what I do. You guys know Jamaican black castor oil promotes hair growth. I make sure I put it on my edges and everything. So this is just what the foundation of my hair looks like when I'm all done. It's nice and moisturized. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you how I like to braid and moisturize my hair under my wigs to, you know, give my hair a break. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.